So this is an interesting way of cleaning and checking a motor. As you can see, this shunter is moving along quite nicely now, and I'm just cleaning the wheels with isopropyl 99%. Bought these rollers years ago and didn't get much use out of them, but as you can see, it's working now. And I just drop in a little bit of oil to help it move along, so I can run that for a while and it will be run in no time. So that's a neat little trick. If you've got some of these rollers, I've got 4 of them in total, so I can switch around into the larger Locos. Hope you find this useful. So we'll just give it a little test on the track here. This controller is a little bit temperamental. Yeah, the gauging still needs a bit of attention on this one. And as I say, the speed control is a bit erratic. Well, that's better. Running quite smoothly now. I adjusted the wheels ever so much, trying to not buckle them. But as you can see, the Loco runs quite smoothly. A little bit of TLC goes a long way, and I think this unit helps with the speed control. I think that's because I've got those wires underneath there. So I cleaned the wheels, I cleaned the pickups, I cleaned the brushes, I cleaned the gears, and I added oil to the little pads. Join me Wednesday 1:30 on YouTube and StreamYard to find out more about maintaining your locomotives and doing a little bit of cleaning to get them to run smoother. And those locomotives that just don't run, well, this is how you'll find out how to get them going. We'll see you then. Thanks for dropping by, and please remember to give me the big thumbs up. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.